There it is. Wow. It is doable, Francis. I promise it's going to get better. So Francis is here. Can you name the 3 symptoms that you're having most often?
Lower back pain.
Yeah. And it radiates down or travels
It radiates. Down? It's from the lower back. It radiates to on the left side all the way to my ankle.
Okay. Okay. Let me have you flip over on your stomach. I'm going to soften up your muscles a little bit so we can get more motion in there. Okay. Take your time. How do you sleep? Side, back, or stomach?
Side.
On the side?
Yes.
Either one?
Either one.
Okay. You could. There's a spot for your arms.
Actually, Laila.
Hi.
How are you?
Welcome.
Back.
Welcome back.
Yeah.
Big breath in. All the way out, my dear. Relax your shoulders. There it is. Cross this leg over this one without bending the knee. Lift the whole leg and put it on top of the other leg.
Like that? Or all the way?
Yeah, all the way. There you go. Just like that. Perfect. Tolerable?
Yeah.
Good. Scoot down about 2 inches. That's it. Breathe in and out. And again. Good. One more. Good. So when I put pressure right through here, you feel it in your hips?
Right. Yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah.
Ooh. So does it shoot down into your hips?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you see how there's such a huge relationship? So even I'm working here, it's affecting here. So there's a huge relationship between the whole spine and how your whole body is going to function. So we need to mobilize here, here, as well as here.
Okay.